Kathy O'Shea with New Age Industrial. Today I want to talk to you about our utility carts. We have lots of different sizes and configurations. I'm just going to show you a few of them. The first one I want to talk to you about is our NS745. This is our basic utility busing cart. This is used in a lot of food service applications. It's a three-tiered cart. All three shelves have three sides upturned with one side open so that it makes it easier to load and unload. There are, again, it's three-tiered, three shelves. We have different spacing configurations and sizes. This is a lighter duty cart. The maximum weight capacity is 350 pounds on this one because it does have stem casters. The step up from that is our correctional duty cart. This one also has different sizes and different shelf dimensions. This cart is ideal for correctional applications. It's fully welded, it has tamper-resistant casters, and it is designed similar to the lighter duty cart. This has a 550 pound weight capacity, but it has the same three-sided upturned shelves on all the shelves. It has that open side for easy loading and unloading, but again, it's fully welded and has the tamper-resistant casters, so it makes it safe for a correctional environment. The last one, this bigger cart, this is our extreme duty cart. This is a big cart, as you can see. It's all aluminum, fully welded, will never rust or corrode. On this particular unit, it's only a two-tiered, but it has the platform casters, again, like I said, 6-inch, so it allows a lot of weight-bearing capacity. This is a 2,000 pound rolling weight capacity cart. So if you can put 2,000 pounds on here and push it, it will still roll. This is used in a lot of different environments. Again, this is a bigger cart, so maybe a bigger food service operation, bigger boxes, heavier weight bearing, etc. Like all of our products, these products can be customized to meet your needs. If you'd like a special quote, email us at sales@newageindustrial.com. You can also visit our website that has lots of product videos and specifications on our standard items, newageindustrial.com.